Hey, today I want to take a quick trip to Target to see what they have new at the dollar spot. So they have out these like nautical looking pieces that I thought were cute. They have something like this at the Dollar Tree, but this one is like a soft kind of feel. $3 for this one right here, and then it comes in that nice blue and white. They have these little decor pieces right here that you can put on your shelf or someplace. $3 for these, and they came in different prints. You can make like a whole little setup with these, like get multiple. These little guys I thought were cute, $3, and they came in like different little setups like outfits. So I thought those were cute. These glass vases with the rattan like detail on them, $5. So that one in that shape, and then this one in this shape here, and they both were $5. These little lanterns right here, so they had them, and you can see this little light inside, and it's kind of like a little faux glass on the inside there. $5 for that, and it has a little switch to turn it on and off. These little nautical like mirrors, thought those were cute because they kind of look like portholes too, but then like the steering of a ship too at the same time. $5 for those. This one was my favorite of the pieces in the nautical look. Okay, I didn't know what it was at first. It's like a ceramic. It's a tray, so it's a little tiered tray. So you'll put it together, and it's $5. It's gonna be small, but it's cute little tray. This right here, they've been putting these out for every holiday season, different things. So they have this one right here. It says Lake House, and it is $5. The blue is really pretty. These right here, you could put these up on your wall. You could put them out. It comes in that set of two for those, $5 for those. Some signage. That one had a little scuff on it. $5 for that though right there. This one is cute because you can put some custom wording on it with your Cricut or something and make like a custom piece or stencil something on there. $5 for that one. And then this one says Lake Life. Something better, something $5. Life is better at the lake. These little kid toys and stuff. So I think the kid toys are not really part of the dollar spot, but they've been putting them in the dollar spot. So they have this little bubble gun right here, $3, and this comes in like the shark and the unicorn. At least that's the ones that I saw. A ton of little kid shades for $1. So they have all these different little designs and shapes in those. And like I said, they are for kids, so they're going to be smaller, but they are $1 right now. Socks to get ready for Father's Day. So they had all the garden stuff and other stuff for Mother's Day, and now they are putting out the Father's Day stuff, $1 for each set. So you can make like a little gift basket, and you can see they have different prints for different likes, whatever stuff. So you got dad likes golfing, if he likes grilling, if he likes tools. You can put together something cute and like pair it with some other things. These little lanterns right here, so kind of have like a little frosted plastic on the outside, and then you put the battery and stuff. And at the bottom, it came in two different colors, the ones that I see. So they have a lot of little sand sets for like the beach, for vacation. So this one I thought was cute. $5. It's like little ice cream cones, and then you have the bucket and you store them on top. This little tub of bubbles right here, so it has all the little stuff they'll need in there. $5 for that. When they're done, you can put it all up. These little watering cans, I thought they were so cute. So they're for kids, but I will use them. $3 for those, and they came in different prints. They're real pretty. We saw this before, just a cute little garden set for the kids. $5 for that right there. So if your kid likes to garden, these I could not get them to work. I think it's because the way they put the tag on it, but it's the one where you pull it back and then it zooms off, like you'll pull and then the wheels will spin up and then it races off. They still have some garden stuff left out. They still have the mugs and stuff. Well, a few they had, but then they started putting like the dad ones. So the number one dad, they're $3 for that one. Then a little fishing one. And I think these are stackable too, like the mother's ones. They still have the mother's candles, the little pack of gardening socks they had before for like if you want to do a garden gift basket, $3 for those. They had two of the totes that they had before for the mothers. And then they have some caps now. So the Real Boss, that one is $5. I was confused for a second because it said 2 count, but you get one hat. You get one hat in there. And then World's Best Kid, that one right there. They still had that one for the set. You get the gloves and the apron and stuff, garden. So we saw all those before. These I think we saw before too, but they put them out, they sell out, they put them out again, so they're back out. So if you wanted to grab those, you might want to check your Target bullseye section and see if they have those in right now. $3 for those. They have the arch set still because it's like kind of like party season, wedding season all the seasons. This right here, we saw this before too. So $5, and there's like a little string light, but you can clip little pictures on it and stuff. These they have sort of set. They always come out with these in different, designs and stuff like that. This one is like dipped like on the asymmetrical. $3 for the set of 2 of those, and then these are really pretty. I like these. $3 for the set of 2 of those. These little chalkboard signs right here. So like I said, it is wedding season, party season, all the seasons, graduation season. So if you want to do something, those would be great to grab. These little faux greeneries right here, these are $1. They're so pretty purple. I thought they were cute. They have other ones too to pick from, and they all are $1. So they'll be like the single stems that you can find, and they don't never seem to be organized. They always seem to be bunched together. But if you're looking to find those, they had 2 of these little birdhouses left. I think these are like $5, but they're like a ceramic. They had the little speckle detail. They had the little kids umbrellas. So they had different designs. They had Batman here, and these are $5 for these. They had Batman, Minnie Mouse, and then like a Paw Patrol one. They had, and then they have these little caps for the kids. So they had Minnie, they had the Disney princesses right there. Well, not all of them, but they had like, some of them. They had a Hello Kitty one and a Mickey Mouse one. These would be great for vacation too, especially if you're like a Disney lover like me. $5 for those right there. They still had some of the shepherd's hooks and the bookends. They have a ton of those things that I still don't know what they are. This right here, I have one of these, but not with the wording on it. But this one says Dad Joke Loading. You could use that all year. You could put that part of your Father's Day basket. $5 for that one right there. And these are great to use like in your drink station or someplace. These little hooks, this one comes with a little ledge on it, and it has the little 4 hooks, the pieces in the back to hang it up. $5 for that. These right here, I love this, the little cheese board ones. We saw these before though, but I just think they're so cute because they come on a little ring. You get a count of 6 of those. We saw most of that stuff before, but you can see the shelves are like empty. I'm waiting for them to put some new stuff out. They had these tapered candles right here, so you get a set of 2 of those for $3. They had the solid white one, and then they had like this ombre kind of gold one at my Target. We saw these before, so it's just a little table, and that's $5. These like drink holders, so you can put just ice in there, the drinks in there, when you're outside. This one says best dad ever. It has the little handles on it. $5 for that one, and then they had that one right there that says cold drinks. And then it repeats. And then this shelf right here, this one doesn't have a ledge on it. $5, but the same hooks and stuff and bag. This cooler bag right here, so you get the bag, you can see it folds nice and flat for $5. They had it in the gray. I didn't open it. Somebody had already opened this one, but I wanted to show you just how big it sits up. So it's like bigger than a lunchbox. These baskets we've seen before, but they are cute. $5. They have like the spring kind of Easter clearance going on right now. They didn't have a lot out, but I wish they would market what the clearance price is going to be, because the regular prices are still on there. A ton of, like I said, kids items and stuff. So they have these little scrubbers right here, $1, and one has a shark on it, one has a crab on it. This would be great to take a vacation too, because if you forget them, it's perfectly fine. These little rockets, and these, like, I think they make that whistle noise when you do them. $3 for that. This right here, so it's like for the pool, and you pump it up, and then you squirt the water, and it came in different prints. $3 for that. This little ball and bat set, and the light, I think, lights up in those right there, and it's $3 for those. And the bat is like a plastic, kind of that hollow plastic. More sets for like the beach, for gardening. So this is like a beach tool set right here, and everything stores in there. $5 for that. They have the hooded towels. This is the only print that I did see. It's going to be small. It's not going to be humongous, but it's $5, and that's great. These little cups I thought were cute, so they had different ones. So they had the unicorn one right there. $3 for all of them now. And then they had the rainbow one. They had this little pineapple one that said good vibes. I thought that was cute. Puzzles, all of these things I think are great for like for vacation. So for a couple of dollars, you keep your kid entertained. If you're doing road trips, you're staying at a rental, these are all great. Beach towels, so more beach towels. So they have different prints, and these are going to be bigger than the other one. $5 for those. So yeah, if you're looking for some beach towels, and they have beach towels throughout Target too, so you can get them from there, you can get them from the regular section. So you might want to head over to Target Dollar Spot.